These 4-ingredient sweet treats are easy to make. Welcome to Tracy Creates Dishes. Cut some mandarins in half. Squeeze 200 ml of mandarin juice. Strain the mandarin juice. Strain mandarin juice for a second time and place the juice in a frying pan. Add 200 grams of sugar, add 7 grams of Agar Agar, stir to combine. Stir continuously on a medium heat. Stir until the mixture reduces to a thick gel. Lightly oil a 28 by 33 cm baking tray. Pour gel onto the tray. Spread gel evenly over the tray. Leave on bench to set for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the gel will lift easily from the tray. Line one edge of the gel with 2 cm strip of baking paper. Sift icing sugar over gel. Remove strip of baking paper. Slice down the middle of the gel. Roll the gel. Wrap the rolled gel in cling wrap to hold its shape for 10 minutes. Remove cling wrap. Cut in desired slices. Subscribe and like. Comment below what confectionery you cannot live without.